Hey everyone, welcome to Vidnoz. It's an AI tool that helps us edit and create videos super fast. As you can see, over 1,000 companies trust this platform. Basically, it's a video editor that works with slides and presentations. They've got all kinds of presentations and tons of free tools as we're seeing. Check it out, free AI tools. Look at all these options. It's wild. They've got tools for photos, videos, and voice. You can make photos, talk, create video from text, translate videos, make music videos, generate music, transcribe audio, and so much more. So yeah, that's Vidnoz for you. How do we create an account in Vidnoz AI? Simply click Create Free AI Video and continue with your preferred login method, be it Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Microsoft, or any other option. Once that's done, you'll be all set to use Vidnoz, just as we're seeing here. How can we create an AI video in Vidnoz? Well, we'll open the Vidnoz app and click Create Video. We have options like text-to-speech or prompt-based video creation where we can input, say, an example. We'll set 13 scenes, choose the format, tone, let's say formal, and language, English in this case. It'll generate a video using an avatar and slides like a Google presentation. We pick the avatar, language, and content for each slide to create the video. I have a tutorial here showing you the template and basic process. So yes, we can easily generate videos with this tool. To clone your voice in other languages using Pinocchio AI, go to the home section and click Clone Voice. Here you can record for 1 to 3 minutes or upload an audio file, okay? The file should be under 200 MB in MP4, MP3, WAV, AC, or WebM format. Remember, the audio can't be longer than 1 to 3 minutes, alright? They say it's free, but we'll need to enter bank details. I'm not thrilled about this. I'd prefer to test the sound first, then provide bank info if satisfied, but they don't allow that, right? So that's how we can clone our voice using the Vidnoz tool. How can we translate different languages in our video using Vidnoz? Well, we'll go to the home section and then to the translate video option, okay? In this section, as you'll see, we can upload our video. If it loads, that is, there it is, we can upload our video here. Let's see, they give us some example videos. We simply select the original language, which in this case would be Spanish, and the output language, which would be English, okay? We can choose to add subtitles and lip sync if we want. So you can see, for example, this Sirlon Mag speaking Spanish. The deeper minds are much more, as you can see, deep. It does the lip sync there. It's true, the voice it's not quite perfect, okay? I'm not sure if they use their own voice actors instead of using the same voice translated, but it's not quite the same voice, so that's how it can be done. How can we create our own avatar in Vidnoz AI? To do this, we'll go to the AI tools section in Vidnoz, where we have the AI photo avatar. If we select it, we can upload a photo or choose from their preset avatars. As you can see, they show an example of how it moves. There's a wide variety available. They even have animals. For instance, this otter here, or perhaps something more realistic. Welcome to Vidnoz. It moves the lips in sync with the audio for a natural look. We can change background color, add or remove subtitles. We can set a stable style or a more expressive one with head movement. Lastly, we can pick language, character, voice, and mood. We'd input the text here to generate the video. It's that simple. Alright, if you're into dropshipping, this tool could be really useful. It lets you create videos automatically using just a URL. Currently in Vidnoz, under the AI tools section, it only supports Amazon and Google Play. As you can see, you just input an Amazon link and choose if you want music or other options. Basically, it creates a video of the item you've linked automatically. In this case, there's not much to show, but you typically have an avatar explaining the item automatically. You just paste the link and it does everything for you. I have to say it's pretty impressive how they've set this up. Right now, it's only compatible with Google Play and Amazon. Hopefully, it'll work with more platforms in the future. Not much else to add. How do you turn an image into a video with Vidnoz AI? This new tool or AI, a video creator, basically we go to AI tools, then to AI image to video, we select it, and as you can see, they only let us upload an image. So as you can see, this would be the image, for example, and well, they move the mouth a bit, make the hair move a little more, okay? So that's really it, you see? You go from image to video, but the more realistic the image, the stranger it looks. Okay, for example, this photo or such, but with photos generated by AI, it actually does a really good job, okay? So then, how does it work? We just upload the image, hit convert to video, and it's done, okay? It's not much more complicated than that. Also, I should mention we can select the model here, okay? They offer Vidnoz's model, their own, or we can use Kling's, Runaways, or Zip. How can we improve our video quality with Vidnoz? Well, we go to the AI video enhancer, As you can see, we have this tool that lets us upload a video, right? It can handle up to 200 MB, which is honestly quite small. It supports MP4, M4V, MOV, and WebM formats. It doesn't support a VRI format from what I see, or MKV for some reason I'm aware of. Okay, MKV is actually quite common, you know. So basically, here's where you upload the video, and what it does is simply enhance the quality. When we talk about quality enhancement, it's not just, it claims to give us 4K quality, and I've tested it. It's true, more than just 4K. It does improve the bitrate a bit, but what it really enhances is the color grading, okay? It colors and filters our videos. Sometimes it misses the mark though, but other times it gets it right, you know? Once we've made the improvement, here are a few examples. It's not as extreme as this, I assure you. If you think it'll be like this, it won't. But it is more like this. This is more accurate, okay? See how the colors change? It's grayish and old looking at first. Then it becomes brighter. It's much more like this. Got it? Or even like this, see? It definitely does recoloring very well. The 4K might be for paid versions. I didn't try 4K in my test, not even close. So that's it, that's how this tool works. How can we create a realistic avatar in Vidnoz AI? We'll go to the AI tools section in Vidnoz and click export avatar. This is how we can create a realistic avatar. Here, as you can see, we can choose our own avatar. As you can see, there are many avatars available. There are doctors, everything, boys, girls. Once you select an avatar, you'll see a green screen background. We can also use a transparent or white background as we prefer. Here we can simply input the text. We choose the text language to generate the voice. We pick the voice. A female voice makes sense here. And finally, we select the mood. We have some settings like speech speed, pitch, and volume. Once we're done, we hit export and have our talking avatar ready. It's that simple. How to create video from text with Vidnoz AI? Well, within Vidnoz we have a section for AI tools, and we'll simply click on AI text to video. As you can see here, what we're going to do is click try an example. You click to try an example, okay? They'll generate the video for you. You can choose music, subtitles, and voice. I don't want any of those, okay? If we wanted voice, we'd choose the gender and select the type of voice we want, except then you click generate video, and they'll start creating it based on the prompt you've entered, okay? There doesn't seem to be any limit on video generation, I mean in terms of how many videos you can make. So let's see what the result looks like. And there we have the generated video, okay? In this case, as you can see, it uses stock images. It's not AI generated, but it's quite impressive, right? How it's made and all. So yeah, it's that simple. How can we get the highlights, that is the best moments of a video, using Vidnoz AI? Well, we simply go to AI video highlights in the AI tools section. Click there, and as you see, we can upload a file or just import a YouTube video, whichever we prefer. It'll get the transcript, and once it has it, we'll set the language. There it goes, analyzing the transcript, finding the best parts, then generating clips. Alright, it's found the best clips. This clip might last about a minute. Well, the video is longer than the... Oh no, we need to click get highlights. Sorry, so we say yes. Oh, okay, the results are the highlight. Of course, it's giving a full minute highlight. How long is the original video anyway? A minute? It'd be more interesting with a longer video, right? So that's how this tool works. It doesn't have much customization, like setting clips to 10 seconds or 20 seconds, you know. So that's about it. That's how we can use it. How can we turn an image into a dance using Vidnoz AI? Well, we go to the AI tool section, specifically to AI dancing photo. As you can see here, we can upload an image, right? Like this one of a girl. They give us some examples. A boy, a girl, and even a stat. Let's try the statue. It looks fun. We can choose any music we want, okay? And pick a dance style. Meow, shake, swing, or regal. Let's go with regal. Then just click make photo dance now. Of course, we can upload our own image too. We don't have to use their provided images. Now let's see the result. I'll remove. There's the music. And here's the dance it created. It's not very realistic, but it's pretty funny. Let me try a photo that's more... This one's more realistic with a plain background. Let's see how it turns out. Here we go. Well, this one looks pretty weird and creepy too. Look at how it moves and all. So that's how you can do it. How can we compress videos or video files with Vidnoz AI? Using Vidnoz AI's artificial intelligence tool. Basically, we go to the video compressor where it asks what type of compression we want. We can choose 70% compression with high quality, or 30% compression with reduced quality. Let's select 70%. I'll upload this very video. This 21 MB video will be compressed to 14 MB. Let's hit compress and compare the quality. Note that you won't see it exactly as you should. This is how the video looks. The video quality is pretty good. I'd like to see what happens with 30% compression. How much will the quality decrease? So here's the result. Same outcome. It's not huge, but the kilobytes per second have clearly dropped, which is noticeable, and it's dropped quite a bit. Dropped perhaps too much. Well, I think that, let's see, I'm sure the function, it hasn't downloaded it. How big was this file? 21 MB, and it's reduced it to, it's either another or I don't know. It's another, okay. It says here it's reduced to 6.3 to 6.73, which isn't what I asked for, by the way. Let's see, 6.7. Okay. Now it makes sense why the quality dropped so much. Of course it hasn't done, yes, it's taken 70% off, right? Right, this is reversed, isn't it? So if I want less, I set it to strong. Well, there's the result. I think it compresses, but with AI, it seems to do its own thing, huh? I asked for 70% and it compressed it like crazy. Let's see. The compression is fine. It's done well based on file size and how it looked. The ratio is good, but it's not doing what I tell it to, right? Not much else to say. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in future videos. Alright, now that we've seen all the tools Vidnoz offers, let's take a look at the pricing plans. Okay, here's the interesting part. Let's see how much it costs. We'll check out the premium plan. We'll set it to monthly billing. As you can see, there's a free tier which offers 20 scripts per day, commercial use, 10 text to images daily, 2,000 characters per scene, and 720p resolution. The starter plan starts at nearly $30 a month, which is pretty crazy, right? And that's only for 15 minutes monthly. It just seems, I don't get why the prices are like this. It doesn't make sense to me. Well, over 1,600 AI avatars, more than 2,300 video templates, over 1,380 voices. Why need so much variety if you only get 15 minutes a month? You can't even test it properly. Well, 3 avatars, 1080p resolution, 5,000 characters per scene, at least unlimited AI text to image. That's something, I guess. Better than nothing, I suppose. No watermark, that's all that's missing, you know? Well, voices with emotions and not much else. That they don't offer many features for what they charge you. And here you can upgrade to get 60 minutes per month. So for them, each minute is worth how much? Almost $2, right? Almost $2. I think that's ridiculous. I think it's absurd. And I'm saying it plainly. I think it's very expensive. Speaking strictly about this part, you see, I'm evaluating here that there are a ton of tools, and I don't doubt these tools are useful, but these tools are given almost for free, right? I'm assessing what you charge for the video editor, which is just a template generator, basically. It's just picking an avatar like this and using a template they've already set up and generating the text and making the video. That's what the 15 videos are. Those are the 15 minutes they give you, the video wizard sec. Well, 15 minutes for a basic slide, all in an effort to improve things, right? But it costs $1.80 per minute, okay? Even if you pay more, they don't lower the price at all. They squeeze every last penny. Clearly, it's very expensive, right? I mean, it's just too expensive. I get that it can save you work for editing a video occasionally, but long-term editing is unsustainable. It's just not sustainable. Not to mention that the maximum you get is 60 minutes per month. So if you want to make multiple presentations, forget it. It just doesn't make any sense. We can't see all the features, but I can tell you there's not much difference. So that's about it. These are Vidnoz's payment plans.